Welcome to Le Manoir au Quat'Saisons. I'm Benoit Blin and the Chef Pâtissier here for over 25 years, and I'm really excited today to share with you a great recipe which has made a success of our place, le Café Crème. So come on, join me. A great French critic said before, the difference between a good meal and a great meal is the dessert. And guess what? Today I bring you a real showstopper, le Café Crème. This is one of the classical desserts of Le Manoir, a great representation of technical skills, beautiful flavor, and of course, the most beautiful of ingredients for dessert, for a pastry chef, the chocolate. And I'll teach you a little bit about the chocolate skill work you need to have to create that beautiful cup, chocolate cup, which is the Café Crème. This class will consist of breaking down now into single recipes, simple mise en place as we call them in the kitchen, for you to be able to prepare at home. So be ready, be focused, and we break it down and we learn together, or I teach you as much as possible to recreate that beautiful dish. And when it's all over, upload your beautiful pictures, upload your beautiful dishes online. Like this we can share what we've done together and learn from each other's mistakes. Why not? And the great things you've achieved. One dish which has been created by Raymond Blanc over 25 years ago, which we've brought back to those modern days with some light little twist to it. A very technical dish to make because it involves chocolate and chocolate tempering, but a very impressive, a very spectacular dessert to share with your guests, I'm sure, around Christmas time or for any means of celebration. So come with me, let's go and let's get baking.